Have you ever wanted to review places you visited? No problem. Today, we're going to show you 3 ways to check your location history on your iPhone. First, open the iPhone Settings app. Scroll down and go to Privacy and Security. Tap on Location Services and make sure it is on. Then scroll down and select System Services at the bottom. Locate and tap on Significant Locations. This will ask you to authenticate with Face ID or your passcode. After that, you'll see several places that you with your iPhone have visited frequently. If you have Google Maps installed on your iPhone, you can use its timeline feature. Launch the Google Maps app. Tap on your profile and then select your timeline. Here, you can see today's timeline with the places you've been. Hit on Timeline and you can choose a specific day to see the past iPhone location history. To view up to 30 days of historical location data, you can't miss AirDroid Location Tracker. Now, install and open AirDroid Parental Control on your device. Then, follow the step-by-step instructions to bind the iPhone. Once done, hit the location icon at the bottom. Tap on Route History, and you can check iPhone location history by date. And that's how you check your iPhone's location history. If you find this video helpful, don't hesitate to like it and subscribe to our channel. You can also download AirDroid Parental Control from the description below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.